Okay, so here's a little video to help understand any notes that have been taken in the lesson. So first thing I usually do with most of the notes is that I write down the string names across here. So I'll just do that. Now you'll notice this is a lowercase e and this is an uppercase e. Lowercase e, just think of it as being small lowercase and then the thinner e string. So the one that's the highest sounding, and then this is the lowest sounding E. And the way that we remember the different string names in order is Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. Now if I was going to show you how to play something, let's say it was a chord, let's say it was A minor. Now I'm going to show you what I would do. So I'm going to write first everything that I would do. So here 0 next to the A, that means that we play the string, it's open, and we don't put any fingers down, but we're going to play the string, and I'll show you what that means in a moment. E, we're not going to play E in this particular case, so I'm going to put a cross there. D, I'm going to put number 2 here, and that means we're going to be playing on the 2nd fret on the D string. We're actually going to be doing the same for the G string, and the same in this case, the 1st fret for B here, and then 0, meaning we play the string but don't put any fingers on it. So 2, 2, 1. Now how do you know which fingers to use? Well, this is where I use my other system. So I write for the first one here, in this case, middle finger, I'm going to put M, F, then 3rd finger, I'm going to put T, F, and then 1st finger, I'm going to put FF, like so. So now when we look at this, D on the 2nd fret, middle finger, okay, and the same here, G 2nd fret, 3rd finger, B 1st fret, 1st finger. Now again, if it's an open string, there's no fingers needing to be used to play it, so I don't indicate any fingers here. And this, I would then write the chord symbol above it, in this case A minor. So that's A minor. So I'll show you now how I would then play that on the guitar. So here we are with the guitar. We've got Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. And the first string that we're worried about, the low E string here, we're not playing it, so we're ignoring it. That's this one. We're not going to play it, okay? So in this case anyway. So then the next thing we're doing is 0 on the A string. That's this string that I'm wobbling right here, the 2nd lowest string in pitch, so the lowest, 2nd lowest. So that's A right there. So we're going to play A, we're just going to leave it open. Then we've got D to MF. That's D string, the next string, 2nd fret. We count the frets here in between these spaces, 1, 2. So that means 1, 2 with our MF, which is middle finger. So I'm going to put that there. That should sound like that. Then we've got G, this next string down, this one that I'm wobbling here, G, TF, and G2 TF, sorry. So that's going to go underneath there. So we've got that so far. Then we've got B1 FF, which is the 1st fret here with on the B string with our 1st finger. And then the last string, the lowercase e or the high E string, we're going to leave 0 because it's open just as the A string was, and we're not using any fingers. So we play from the A string, not the E string, because the E string has a cross. And there we go, we have our A minor. And that's exactly the same for any other chord. That's exactly how you would follow it. Not even just for chords, for single line melodies where you're playing, if you're playing just with one note at a time, you would follow it in the same format, and it'll be written in the same format as well. I might indicate, if I'm saying that I want to do a certain strumming pattern, I might write a series of down or Ds and U's. Now D standing for down and I will write strumming pattern here. Strumming along here. D, 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 U, U, U. That would mean down, 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 up, up, up. So that would look like this over here with the right hand. The strumming obviously happening in the right hand for the right-handed guitar players. So that would mean if we're using this A minor chord here, which I am fretting if you can't see it in the video, you at least focus on the right hand here. So that would be down, 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 and then up, up, up. And that's how you know how to play for the strumming pattern. I hope this helps. Any other questions, please do ask me. Thank you.